Checking out the big bed, huh? You gonna talk? Oh, got a lot of drool in there, Missy. Get that out of there. Lots of new sounds. Lots of stuff to spin around. Anything else? Gonna be a nice day. Should we go outside? Should we go outside today? Is it gonna be nice out? Yeah? Whoa. Whoa. Yes? You're telling us the story of being on Mama's bed? Yeah? Would you like to go somewhere else where there's baby toys? No baby toys on the big bed. Let's go find some. All right. Say bye-bye. Ellie, say bye-bye. Can you wave? Yeah. Oh, good. One last sound. You silly girl. Good talking today. All right. Everyone's going to love it. They'll see you later. Bye-bye.